Let's make Jamaican saltfish, also known as cook-up saltfish. This is a quick and easy filling breakfast, lunch, or even the main course. If you're not using the ready-made pre-made saltfish, then this is how to cut up your saltfish to prepare it to soak overnight or boil. Chop off the tail, then cut your saltfish into pieces, and then you're just going to drop it into a pot of boiling water. If you're using the pre-made saltfish that comes into the bag, you can just soak your saltfish for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight if possible. But I feel like boiling is a lot easier to just boil it until it's tender. While your saltfish is boiling, you're going to chop up your aromatics, your sweet peppers. We use 3 different colors, your onions, your scallions, Scotch bonnet, garlic, thyme, and of course your tomatoes. If you're using the super fresh fish with the skin on it, it has to be boiled at least 2 times because it's extra salty. But if you're using the bag ones, you don't have to boil it twice. So we threw away that water, boiled it twice, and now we're just peeling off the skin off the fish. Now it's time to flake the fish. Once the fish is cooked and drained, then you should let it sit and cool slightly, and then using your hands or a fork, gently flake the fish into pieces and remove any bones. But you can see that some bones are in ours. That's because I am a bone lover. It doesn't matter what type of bone it is. So now we move on to sauteing our aromatics into a pot. Add your oil of choice. We used avocado oil, and we dropped in all the aromatics and we're sauteing them, adding them group by group. First the onions and the tomatoes, then the scallion, and so on and so forth, adding in the tomato last. Then we seasoned the aromatics with some black pepper. Then we added in the saltfish, and you're going to want to mix this in properly so that the saltfish is evenly distributed. We added in some extra oil because it was a little dry, and you can just add as much oil as you want. Then if you chose to eat the bones, then you can add them in now. And it's time to season your saltfish. All this needs is some black pepper, and if you optionally want, you can add in some ketchup, but it's not needed. And we serve this up with dumpling, pap chow, and look how delicious this looks. So if you're looking for a quick and easy meal, this is the recipe for you. For the full recipe and the exact measurements, check in the description bar below. See you guys in the next recipe.